How to fix remove obstruction grease problem in your device. For this, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings on your device. From there, tap on General. Now, simply hit on the software update and check if any update is available or not. If there you see update now button, then simply hit on that and update your button. Then scroll down to the last there you will see transfer or reset iPhone option. Simply tap on it and hit on reset. Once you hit on the reset, a pop-up will be appeared. From there you have to select reset all settings and enter your passcode. Once you follow all of this, your issue will be solved. In this way, you can easily remove obstruction grease from your device. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.